How do our IG lines transport glass plates? With our air float conveyor technology. Glass surface damage must be avoided at all costs during the production of insulating glass units. Even a fine scratch may lead to rejected IG unit or cost-intensive rework. That's why Glaston IG lines are equipped with air float conveyors, a contact-free air cushion transport system for both single glass plates and IG units. The concept is simple but powerful. Filtered air is blown through cuts in the conveyor system, creating a soft air cushion that lifts the glass slightly. There is no contact with rollers, therefore no friction and no scratches. Each conveyor system or segment is modular and has its own frequency control drive motor. For higher glass thicknesses, stronger motors are available as an upgrade. Our standard conveyor speed today is 60 meters per minute, 25% faster than previous systems, but with nearly the same energy consumption. And when the line stops, the blowers switch off automatically to save even more energy. The system provides clean transport surfaces, easy maintenance, modular integration even with other brands of IG lines, pivoting conveyors for flexible layouts. In short, even for high-speed IG production, Glaston airflow conveyor technology provides safe, gently, scratch-free and energy-saving glass transport.